गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है सोर्सेस ऑफ एयर पोल्यूशन। एयर पोल्यूशन क्या होते हैं, एयर पोल्यूशन के कितने टाइप्स हैं और कौन से कहाँ से एयर पोल्यूशन होता है, ये सब आज डिस्कस करेंगे। सबसे पहले देखेंगे डेफिनेशन। डिफरेंट सोर्सेज ऑफ एयर पोल्यूशन। कौन से एयर पोल्यूटेंट्स आर सब्सटेंसेस कॉजेज द डैमेज टू द टारगेट टू लाइक मैन, एनिमल, प्लांट, ट्री, बिल्डिंग्स और एनी materials which is absorbed effect by the pollutant. The emission sources are two types, natural and man-made. जो हमारे एयर पोल्यूशन इसके दो टाइप्स है, एक नेचुरल सोर्सेज एंड एक मैन मेड। सबसे पहले देखेंगे नेचुरल सोर्सेज। द नेचुरल सोर्सेज ऑफ एयर पोल्यूशन आर एज फॉलो। द पॉइजनस गैसेज सच एज SO2, H2S, CO can be released from the volcanic evaporation. Forest fire is also one of the sources of the release the different gases such as a pollutant. Sources for the other pollutants in nature, organic and inorganic decay or the vegetative decay. Other sources are mass gases, diffling of the sand, dust, cosmetic dust, pollen grains of the flowers, soil debris comes in the fungal spot. This is the many injure to the health. Green plant also contributed the increase the air pollution, releasing CO2 through the evaporations. Second है हमारा man-made resources. Beside the natural resources, there are the number of man-made sources of increase the pollution. Deforestation, burning of fossil fuel, and the fire emission for the vehicle, rapid industrialization, agriculture activity, and nuclear war. इसके पहले वाले अभी देखा हमने नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, अभी ये वाले इसमें देखेंगे मैन-मेड रिसोर्सेज। तो हमारा मैन-मेड रिसोर्सेज भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एयर पोल्यूशन के लिए, जैसे फॉसिल फ्यूल, रैपिड इंक्रीजिंग एक्टिविटी ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर। फर्स्ट है हमारा इंक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ पोल्यूशन इन द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर ऑफ द एयर पोल्यूशन। The increase the pollution lead to the global warming phenomena and emission of the greenhouse gases. This process cause increase the sea level and increase the pollution is also cause the loss of forest cover and the loss of wind species. Cutting of plant trees and cleaning the jungle and forest, that is deforestation for different purposes, cause increasing the level of the CO2 and decreasing the level of O2 is in the atmosphere. Vehicle pollution is one of the important factor of vehicle emission are responsible for the more than 75% of the air pollution. The scooter, motor, taxi, truck, etc. emit large amount of the poisonous gases such as the CO, nitrogen oxide and hydrocarbons and lead etc. Incomplete combustion of the fuel react with the oxide of the nitrogen and form the photochemical smoke. Large number of industries such as the chemical industry, pulp and paper mills, cotton mills, petrol refine mines and the synthetic rubber industry are responsible for the air pollution. This industry release the various gases in organic, inorganic form. Most common pollutants are CO2, CO, SO, H2S, NO, NO2, etc. For getting the more yield in agriculture purposes, farmer use toxic chemicals such as the pesticide, insecticides, herbicides, etc. They are also cause the air pollution because during the spray it is transferred to the other place by the wind. The use of the various types of explosive in war. The reactive rays coming out from the atomic reactor and nuclear explosion pollutions of the air.